Hello everyone, welcome to Vigyan Tutorials. Today we will be learning statement patterns. So there are three types of statement patterns: tautology, contradiction and contingency. Now we will see three of them one by one. See, when all the values of last column are true, then it is known as tautology. How can you remember it? T for true, T for tautology. Okay. And when all the values in the last column, that is the output column, all the values are false, then it is known as contradiction. And if the values are neither true nor false, and there will be a mixture of true and false value, then it is known as contingency. We will see the examples. First, P implies Q, double implies negation P or Q. We will draw the truth table for this. PQ, negation P. P implies Q, negation P or Q. P implies Q, double implication, negation P or Q. Then we will draw the entries: true, true, false, false. These are the entries. Now negation P means opposite of P. That is false, false, true, true. P implies Q means what? If both the values are same, then true, otherwise value of RHS. This is true. So here both the values are same, so true. Different, value of RHS is F, false. In second also value of RHS is T, true, and same, so true. Negation P or Q, or means any one value should be true, or either both of the values should be true, then we will write true. So here true, false, true, true. Then the last, we have to compare this column and this column. So this will be double implication means what? Both the values should be true, otherwise we will write directly false. So true and true, both the values are same, true, 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 true. So see, all the values are true. Therefore, it is tautology. We will see the next example. These are the entries, okay? Negation Q means opposite of Q, that is false, true, false, true. P and Q means both the values should be true, otherwise we will write false. True, false, false, false. Now we have to compare this and this column. And matlab both the values should be true. This will be false, 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 false. All the values are false. Therefore, this is contradiction. Okay, now we will go to the third example. See, the third example is P or Q and negation P. So I have drawn the entries of it. Now negation P means opposite of P, that will be false, false, true, true, right? P or Q means any one value should be true, 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 false. Now we have to compare this and this column. It is AND, okay? So both the values should be true, otherwise we will write false. So here false, false, true, false. So see, this is mixture of false and true values, therefore this is contingency. Now I will give this fourth question for you to solve it by yourself. You can give me the answers in the comment section below.